Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can export the CapCut video that you added as a GIF. So if you export your projects on CapCut, it will be saved as a video or an MP4 format. And here I'm going to show you how you can export it as a GIF. So before exporting your video, you need to go to the resolution menu at the top by clicking on this box right here, the one with the 1080p tags. And in here, this is the video tab, and if you want to save it as GIF, you need to go to the GIF tabs in here. Click on that. So if you are on the only on the CapCut free user, you can just select the standard quality. But if you are using the CapCut Pro, you can choose between this three from 240 until the 640p or the ultra high quality. So after that, you can just click on this and click on the arrow at the top, and your video will be saved as GIF. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.